Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can remove Instagram collaboration. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram application. Click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner and you need to open the first where you have a collaborator. So here you can see that I have click on three dots and here you can see different options, but here you can see there is no option to remove a collaborator. So click here and so after that click on three dots and here you can see that there is no option, so you simply need to click on this option, that is edit, and here you can see one person. Okay, so now click here and now it is removed. Click on tick mark, click on tick mark again, wait for few seconds, and now you can see that collaborator is removed from this post. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.